Tesla has released software updates to address the charge port opening issue as the first line of defense. First, ensure your car is running firmware version 2024.44.30 or later. This update recalibrates the charge port sensor, significantly reducing random openings. Also, check your touchscreen menu for the charge port latch override setting. This feature lets you manually lock the port, preventing unexpected openings. A simple software reset might also resolve the issue. This can fix temporary glitches without needing professional service. Dirt, debris, or moisture can interfere with the charge port sensor, causing random openings. Cleaning is often an effective first step. Gather supplies, compressed air like dust off, and isopropyl alcohol for gentle cleaning. Gently blow out any debris from the sensor area using compressed air. If needed, lightly clean with isopropyl alcohol on a swab. Allow the area to dry completely before testing the charge port. This simple cleaning can significantly reduce random openings. Be careful not to damage the sensor or use excessive force. Certain vehicle settings can inadvertently cause the charge port to open unexpectedly. Settings like always connected and power-saving modes may conflict with the charge port's operation. Review these key settings that can affect the charge port behavior. Follow these steps to check and adjust your Tesla settings. Experiment by disabling always connected mode and adjusting power-saving settings. This can often resolve the issue. Monitor the charge port after making changes. If the frequency of openings decreases, you've likely found the cause. If software updates and cleaning haven't resolved the charge port opening issue, the problem likely lies in the hardware components. Let's examine the mechanical faults that could be causing this. The charge port actuator is the motorized component that controls the latch. Inspect it for physical wear, such as frayed cables or damaged housing, especially in vehicles with high mileage. Examine the mechanical assembly, including gears and ratchets. Loose connections or misaligned parts can prevent proper latching. Look closely at the cable connections and actuator lever. Corrosion from moisture or salt exposure is common and can cause sensor failures. Vehicles with over 100,000 miles are particularly susceptible to these mechanical issues due to accumulated wear. If you find any damage, professional repair may be necessary. When it comes to fixing the Tesla Model S charge port issue, you have two main options: do it yourself or seek professional help. For those comfortable with DIY repairs, replacement sensors can be sourced from aftermarket suppliers like those listed in this top suppliers table. However, proceed with caution. This close-up shows the delicate sensor work involved, and incorrect installation can cause further damage. If you're not experienced, it's best to consult a qualified mechanic, especially one familiar with Teslas, as shown here working on the vehicle. Tesla is developing more robust charge port designs for future models, featuring enhanced sensors and better waterproofing to prevent issues like random openings. Preventative maintenance can significantly reduce the risk. Regular cleaning of the port and sensor prevents dirt buildup, while avoiding forceful closures protects the mechanism. Looking ahead, Tesla's app will include predictive alerts that warn owners of potential port problems based on driving data, allowing early intervention.